Well, hello YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be opening Heroclix Justice League Unlimited booster brick. Just recently I got back into Heroclix and yeah, I'm going a bit ham on those, trying to get a good deal. In this case, I like the cartoon. I mean, it's been a while, but I thought it was a great addition, a great spin on the Justice League. And so I came across this one, needed to have it, and yeah, um, you guys will join me opening this up. As always, very much appreciated. So I've kind of looked into the chases, but again, I want to be surprised. So we do have over 70 figures. You have 5 figures in each booster. So we do have 10 booster displays. So 50 figures. We won't be able to complete the set, but this is just for fun, and I'm still not sure what to do with those. I would like to get back into playing. I really enjoyed this back in the day and have some older figures, just stuff I collected here and there. But yep, this is the most fun for me, and let's see what we've got. But at the end of the day, this is not the most requested set, so nothing that much on the value side, but I don't really care. So yeah, I'm going to open this one. Let's see, do we have a legacy card now? So the previous 2 boosters had legacy cards. I thought this was kind of neat. I'm going to move this a bit so we have a bit more room for those. I guess I will be needing scissors here. So yeah, before I start, please consider subscribing. It helps me grow the channel. It's free and really appreciate it. So let's get into it. First one, and there's some tape on here. So of course you need some security measures. First one, I mean, the glue already said goodbye, so maybe this is why they also take this shot. So the first one, and yeah, I'm excited. So let's not spoil this with the cards. So you already can see we have 2 uncommons. Let's see. Of course you need a Superman, so it's a good start. I like the sculpting on this. Superman, JLU, here's your dial, and it's number 1. So this is a good one. We have Dr. Emil Hamilton, and I really like the animated style. Dr. Hamilton goes there. Let's see. Oh, this is a bit wonky. Yeah. I mean, this is to be expected. This is one of the downsides here, but we have an uncommon Supergirl. She's leaning a bit heavy, but maybe I'll be able to fix this. But yeah, that's to be expected. Not minding this one. And we do have a variation here of Supergirl, the common one. So at least they changed the costume up, the paint here. I don't really like it if it's the other way around, and you have a common, uncommon, and they look the same. So here you have a variation. I like this. Just let me double check. This seems to be something different because this is silver. But yeah, they are a bit slanted. But don't worry here. So final one for the first display. Jonah Hex. I mean, There's no facial features here. Not really. But yeah, it's a small figure. Jonah's joining one of the Wild West's characters. And here you have all your cards with your stats. Just going to breeze over them. So Soups, Jonah, here you go, all of the superpowers. Dr. Hamilton, Supergirl 1 and Supergirl 2. Point value 75. And Soups, of course, it's a bigger one. So we do have two, not sure why, team up card. Okay, there's a team up card. Good. Not bad at all. But we can do better. Let's see if we will be able to pull a chase here. So cards. So I'm just going to push these out. And yeah, this is not working at all. Jumbling these a bit. Let's see. So we do have a Lex Luthor. This version is kind of iconic. I like the Superman animated series back in the day, and of course Batman. So really nice to have. Cheetah, Wonder Woman, villain. Common. There's your rare one. Ultra Human Knight. Old school villain. Yep, number 62. So this is a good one to have. We have Dr. Tracy Simmons, uncommon. And Dr. Fate, I like this one. I like Fate in general and the design. So yeah, good one. JSA. So this wasn't bad at all. Like the Ultra Humanite. Nope, not happening. So let's reveal those. I'm just going to put the cards to the side. Just trying to not break anything here. So we do have a shade. Really like the James Robinson run. This is a cool figure. I like it. Neat. Static. We have a green arrow, so you need, of course, a green arrow for your Justice League set. We have a Billy Batson Shazam. Looks a bit evil. I'm not sure about the storylines anymore. Usually a good guy. And we do have Vixen as a JLU member. Not bad. So for this I like the shade the most. Just a pretty cool character. So let's see, next one. So we have Dr. Hamilton again. So it's a bit sad because we won't be able to complete the set, but you will have tubes. The Flash, also one of the bigger ones. I like the sculpt. Copperhead. Bit of the left field. So one of the left field characters. Sinestro, always a good one. I like the character. I like the sculpt here. So an uncommon one. Yeah, I'll take it. And Martian Manhunter. Rare one. Yeah, I'd like to see him. You need him. Of course, he's one of the big 7 Justice Leaguers. So far, I'm having fun, but I'm not sure if we are doing great. But anyway, we have one of the chases, so I won't be complaining. Seems like another Superman. Oh, I like this. So it's usually the wrong kind of signal if you complain and then hit something. But yeah, sometimes you complain, you gain. So another soups, no variation. It is a variation. So here you have 100 points, and here you have 30-ish. So yeah, I'm still a bit confused about that, or maybe this is a printing error and it should be 100. Everything else seems to be the same. So yeah, not really a variation. Just me being confused, which happens sometimes. So another Copperhead. You do have a Shining Knight, old school. I like this one. One of the 7 soldiers. Jonah Hex again. So here you can make out the disfigured face a bit better. And we do have a Chase one stripe. I like this one. So this off the bat really looks like a special figure. And yeah, I like those. So I would be setting up Ultra Humanite against Stripe. I was looking forward to this one. Yeah, that's a good one. So 2 Batman. You need a lot of Batman. This is the iconic one, the regular one, so it's number 5A. And this is the uncommon one. I like both. And if you're collecting, you will have a lot of Batman variations. So we do have a Wonder Woman. Was looking for her with the white hair. Great one. So this for me was the best booster. So we have a Jon Stewart Green Lantern. You also need those, and you have a samurai. So one of the chase figures. I'm not sure about the storyline anymore, but yeah, this is one of the better ones. So this is your chase right here, and usually, I mean, you get one per brick. So I guess that's it then. But hope still remains. I wouldn't mind another one. Maybe we will need some more room. Like what I'm seeing here. The Mazo, like the design. It's not the classic one. Pretty cool figure. You go there. Do have another Lex, so the uncommon one, also iconic. I like this one better. I mean, you need the color scheme. You do have another Jon Stewart Green Lantern. Is this the same one? No, it's not. See, I mean, at least the paint is different. Do have Huntress. It's a great Batman character. And we do have Shazam again, kind of evil looking. This should be the same one. Yep, so a dupe. You go there. So we do have 3 displays left. I wouldn't mind at least another rare. So then I would be content. But yeah, I like the set. I like playing those when I can, because it's a bit complicated to explain. I like this one. Let's see, Dr. Hammett. No, it's Cadmus Lab Scientist. It just looks like Dr. Hamilton. This is a good one. So I like what I see here. Let's start with another Batman. It's a duplicate. So Captain Atom, I really like the design. For me, this is iconic. Really great looking figure. Aquaman, so of course you need an Aquaman for your Justice League set. This looks great. Parasite. It's the same sculpt as Mesos, so they are recycling a bit, but yeah. Here you go. I mean, it's all right. But this looks great. And I also like the character, one of the better Superman villains. So 2 boosters left. But yeah, I can't complain. I like this. Good break. Oh, another Batman. And one you do want to have. So let's see, Star Lab Scientist. I mean, you need those to fill out your roster. when you're playing, but for collecting, not so much. We have a Superman variation. You have Amanda Waller running the Suicide Squad. Also an iconic character. You have Lex again, the plain one. And you have the Batman of the future, Batman Beyond here. And this is another good rare. So great to have this one. And let's see if we can fill out the rest of the space and maybe have another rare one. But we have one of the chases, so all is good and well. And also I'm thinking about how to display those without them also collecting dust. So yeah, if you have a good idea, let me know on how to display your Heroclix. And also I've seen that, you know, HC Realms is a site, but is there something better, like with scanning features or where you know the market value? I'm kind of interested in that. So if you know something, please let me know, or is HC RAM still the way to go? So another Dr. Fate, Wonder Woman with regular hair, so the common one. Amazo again, still like this one. Black Canary, also one of the bigger Justice League characters, so with some paint residue here. Yeah, but I mean, and we do have one of the rare Martian Manhunters posing as a snake, something like that. I like this. So, I'm not mad at all. I think this was a great booster break. Just giving you a quick recap. I mean, you see these ones, but this is kind of the more interesting ones. So the Martian Manhunter variation, Batman Beyond, I really like this one. I dig it, even though if it's, I mean, some glue residue. But this is what will happen. We do have Stripe. We do have the Ultra Human Knight. It's really, really decent. I like this. And our chase is Samurai. So yeah, I like this. So again, I really enjoyed opening these. I would spare you the cards, but this was a great one. And yeah, I'm hooked. What can I say? I will be looking for more, even though there is, at least in Germany, there isn't a secondary marketplace at all, at least as far as I know. But man, I like opening these. I like collecting these, also like playing these. So this is a good one. I hope you like the addition to the channel, and yeah, let me know if there's something I'm missing or should check out. So maybe I will look into it. I'm pretty sure I will. Again, thanks for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss the next video. Have a good one. Take care. Bye bye.